and kill you. Double res Mitchell. What is this on a shot? I just accidentally void masked through a window. Yeah. I don't care. Help me, I'm fighting. Spray, there's just two, they just sprayed me, they're not good, they just sprayed. Just absolutely, twin mag SMG gunner. Why do you have two ARs? You have, Midas Drone almost takes AR bullets, and you have another AR. You're about to get hit with the spraying rat. That's what happened to me! You got the same fate I did! You got the same fate I did, buddy. Jared doesn't understand, Mitchell. That's what we just experienced, Jared. It's crazy. Alright, Mitchell's you're gonna have to buy our cards. Oh, pop the slurp, then buy our cards in the van. They took it. Wait, pop the slurp, then res us before this. It's about to be a 5 tick. It's about to be a 5 tick. Just res us quickly. I feel like why are you popping? Why do you always get rebooted before me? Like every single time. $20 shield, 21 shoot again. Cracked. I'm dead. I've no heals, I'm dead.